I put it on with LBC. I put it on with LBC. Yeah, I put on with LBC. Over LBC. I put on with LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. We ride the waves of the moon. We ride the waves all the way to the moon, and then we ride the waves on the moon. I don't make the rules. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday, and I hope you're ready to get into Friday and get into the weekend. What's everybody doing this weekend? Are you gonna get out and touch some grass? Are you gonna stay inside? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? We've got Bitcoin sitting at 67,201 doll hairs. It's a lot of doll hairs. Currently backtesting VWAP right now. I'm trying to see if I want to try and catch a wave, but I don't know. We're on the 1 minute chart. Let's drop down to the 30-second chart. Let's see how we're looking over here. What are we doing? Trying to bottom out. Back to the 1, 2 to 3. Yeah. What's going on? Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Good evening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. What's going on, GT Jack? How you doing? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I did not alert the Otter gang. There we go. Okay. Alright, so right now, let's see, on the 3 minute, 5, I don't know, we're at VWAP, we're not getting a bounce, so let's see what it be. Anything new today? Auto gang, what's going on? Simeon, how you doing? Or is it a different way of spelling Simon? All right. Let's go to the breakout. See what we're doing over here. Absolutely nothing. Took one trade today. It was a loss. And could never find my way back to the charts. That's what happens when you have a day job. I gotta put music on. It's too quiet. It's too quiet. That's too loud for you guys. There we go. All right. So we're losing VWAP right now. So let's see what happens. I mean, this is pretty nice having these. Just push up. This little consolidation. Push up. Back test of breakout. Continuation. Came back. Hit the highs. Pushed higher. Then what happens? What happens after that? Now we start to overlap. And that overlap is key for catching this trade. Banger. Of course, entry was 10 minutes before I went live. See if we can catch something off of this. Maybe a long. If we can break. See if we can get a sweep first. Sweep of a low in here. Yo, Mike Volmer, how you doing, bro? Thank you. Simeon? Ah, perfect. Thinking golden pocket bounce looks more syncs up with market cipher. What time frame, GT Jack? How you doing, GT? Thank you for being here. Golden pocket of where? No. From this low to this high? About 65, 313 at the 618, 64,995 at the 66. You got to put this song next. Oh, out. Yeah, I'm going to. This is actually part of the album, the whole concept album that I'm working on. So it'll actually be dropped with 9 other songs. So I'm also working on a video. I'm getting GIFs made. Well, I'm making them anyway, with Grok Imagine, but I've built a whole storyline, or it's like a storyline slash, it's an intro video for the show, I put on for LBC. It's going to open up with this. Hold on. Nobody's going to say anything about my haircut. I finally got one. Pretty cool. What's going on? All set. How you doing? Thank you for being here. I haven't turned this one into a GIF yet, but cool stuff, man. I, as someone that has a creative mind, but has never had the patience to sit down and I mean, I say that. Oh, I say that, but I mean, I'm spending a lot of time trying to build this stuff using AI. It's so cool, man. I'm such a nerd. I'm such a nerd. I just love stuff like that. Creating music, creating videos, writing whole scenes. I do have ChatGPT kind of help me out a little bit as far as the more so like trying to figure out how to put things into words, how to describe what I'm wanting to do. Sitting here at that at the 382 of the range. It's kind of what we're consolidating on top of right now. Kind of looks like a triangle though. I'm not big on triangles. Oh. Bear market, no crying. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of symmetrical triangles because they're only like 50-50. Oh my goodness. But really it's all about paying attention to the breakout, seeing what happens on a pullback, and if you get a rejection, you can confirm with some type of like a doji candle or a bearish engulfing, something like that. Something with a long upper wick is what you're really looking for. But the thing about symmetrical triangles is that you can break down, not go to target, but sweep lows, and then come right back up. So, now overall, in general, you know, I don't really hate this little range in here. Yeah, I mean that golden pocket that you were speaking about, what was that, GT Jack? Might not be a crazy idea after all. Not that I ever said that it was a crazy idea, but see, Alex O has the hot dog, and I have the burrito. Breakout. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens with all of that. Zoom on in. Let's go. All right, so this was a break of these. So I could pull a fib. There was the break. Did this high get down to entry? It did. So you get the break, you get the close above, the pullback to entry, and then run up to the upside. TP1, TP2. Hit both TPs. Or at least the first two TPs. And yeah. Okay. I don't like these lows. I don't like the lows being so close. We'll see if this will get above VWAP. And then see if it can pull back down into the trade entry. I still don't like those lows though. I'm not that good. I was much more local to the recent action. Missed it by a hair. I mean, one cut. Look at where it wicked. Maybe I drew the fib wrong. I don't know. Hello, bro. Hope all is well. Hey, Nadim. How you doing, man? Thank you for being here. Since SFP. Just a little step run. Been on the road and jamming to LVC music. Heck yeah, all set. Shout out to all set. And the anchor gang. Gang. Speaking of anchors, anchor VWAPs. No close above. Got 30 seconds. Let's see if this candle can close above the break. Wouldn't be... Hold on. Let's see where it goes. 10 seconds. Did create a little bit of a bull div here. Oh man. Still closing. Still wicking. Is it going to roll over and continue lower?
It's 11 p.m. and I'm staring at a chart again, like it's gonna tell me how to be a better man. I should be sleeping.
USDT dominance. Let's take a look. How are we looking? T.I. Joe's viewers have joined the stream. What's going on, T.I. Joe viewers? Let's get a bingo and a bango in the chat. Bingo bango. I thought I said go to the daily. USDT dominance is just bull flagging like a mofo. That's a nice looking bull flag you got there. Yeah, I'm still sticking to this, man. I'm still sticking to this. I thought we might get a consolidation day. We did end up creating a daily fair value gap. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I've really got to stop drawing on my trading chart. I've got to start remembering whenever I go live, or I need like I just need a template that is just for like my streams. Keep it separate from my trading. Like my everyday regular trading, not my stream trading. I like clean charts. That's why I'm saying that. I prefer clean charts, naked charts. Not fully naked though. We're not trying to be inappropriate. So yeah, we do have a massive daily fair value gap right here. We also created an IFVG, but we did not close above this. So that's a giant daily SFP. We went over that yesterday, right? Yeah, we went over that yesterday. I thought we might get a consolidation day, and we did. Oh, there's our FVG on the daily. So what I'd be looking for on this is, let's put on the middle line. On the 4 hour specifically, I do not want to see a 4 hour candle body close if we are to be bullish below the midpoint of the fair value gap. This came into fair value gap over here and got a nice bounce. But we still have that daily FVG. Now, know that fair value gaps are just liquidity pools and entries or targets. And they don't always have to be seen again, unlike equal highs and equal lows. I still have yet to find equal highs and equal lows that never got taken out. They pretty much all do. David Gelfand. Hey, make sure you guys are sub to Trade Intuition. Shout out to T.I. Joe and the Bingo Bango Gango. Let's see here. All right. So yeah, I mean, if we're going with the strategy, I mean, we got a break and a close above, and we're back testing it. We did this tap. I want to sweep that low, man. Come sweep that low and tap that daily FVG. Just come on. Actually, it'd be a pretty It's close to being a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulse. You have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, which does not come into the territory of wave 1. I need to go to smaller time frames. This is yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5. Get up to that $70,800 mark. No, that's just these highs. Well, that's a 0.5. I'm still not a fan of this low. We're also below the 50 on the 1 hour on the RSI, so that's showing weakness. But the 4 hour remains above the 50, so that's good. So that suggests to me, let's go to the 30, below 15, below. So it suggests to me that we're cooling off on the lower time frames. Let's go to the 12. 12 is still below the 50. Daily, I'm pretty sure, yeah, daily is still below the 50. I thought I had a, was it the daily? Yeah, it's the daily. Oh, I need this. I need you to come down and tap that golden pocket at 57, 58. This could be bullish. We were going over Wyckoff last night, and this almost looks like a spring. Now a spring with the potential sign of strength before this continues to the upside. we don't want is something like that. We don't want this wave to be similar or equal in length as the first wave. Because if you come down and you hit that, you gotta wait for it to continue and break that high. Otherwise, it's much more likely that it's gonna come down. Because now you're looking at an ABC correction. So we really want a stronger break with a pullback, consolidate, and then another push. We get something like that, and I'm flipping super bullish. But with that said, this would still be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would expect an ABC after that. And then from that point, I would just be hella bullish. I would think that we would go higher. As long as this is impulsive. And this is impulsive. Yeah. And that's what I think will happen if we take the highs here, come down, hit the low, and then we get that move. Just continue higher, but this would be higher. But yeah. So yeah, it looks like we're we'll see. We'll see how tomorrow goes. Yeah, there's a chance we can just get out of here. Just needs a break. Just needs a break. Back test. Get going. Close above this high. First, close above the high, then pull back and go. What are you guys doing? Are y'all listening? Is the music too loud? Let me know. Oh, I'm glad I missed that one. That's called a nope. That's called a big fat nope. Okay, we just took the low. Later, Johnny. Johnny Decembro. Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Mad love. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. #1 way to support the channel and feed my family. My family lives off of likes. So, unless you're just a super heartless human being that hates kids and women, then, yeah, I mean, then you should probably help feed them with the likes. I don't know. I don't know what you want me to tell you. We gotta do what we gotta do. Part of me wants to take a short. We got a little bit of a bull div here. I don't know if I can do that. Also, a fair value gap. So what's important with fair value gaps is the reaction to them. Because, like I said, they're just... It's a point of interest. So anytime you see price get to it, you want to see what it does It can either do that, or it can act as fuel for a push higher. It can be either one. You could even get in it and chop around for a little while. What's important is seeing the reaction. You wick in, you don't close, can't get a close above the midpoint. Oh, well. Especially if you have a weak low, then you want to look for that continuation to the downside. Back to print. Back to printing. Moon God seek consistency. I took long at the GP retracement. Easy stop loss. All set. Mike V. What's going on, Harp? How you doing, bro? Rock out with your you-know-what out. I was showing you guys last night about the whole... yeah, that would have got stopped out. That sucks. And we just go here then. The break of the structure on like an on your RSI or other momentum indicator. You see it breaks, and look, it even pulls back and bounces on it. Now, does that mean it's a guarantee? It's just gonna, now it's bullish? No. You still have to wait for it to push higher. Really, if you want to be bullish, you need to get back above that 50. All right, so we're inside. We are inside the fair value gap. We do have a bullish divergence here. Yo, what's up, LBC and peeps? Yo, what's going on? Army Piper, how you doing, bro? Hope you're doing just swell. Hope you're doing amazing. Oh, what else? There it is, the rocket fuel. We got the rocket fuel. Oh, the mitigation? Oh no. Forgot about the mitigation. The mitigation. When you just take it all and then... Get a close. Close above the fair value gap. Alright, we got our close above the trend break. See where this high comes in. Current high. Pushing higher. Did you guys know that Coinbase has stocks now? Short bot printing money. You got a short bot. I did a neutral bot. I only put $10 in it though because I just wanted to see how it did. And right now it is up. Earlier today it was up 3 point something %. Now it is only up 1.29%. And this is over 2 days and 14 hours. Almost 15 hours. 2 days and 15 hours. Oh, rocket fuel. Pull back. Are we gonna pull back so I can jump in? about leverage greed. Higher. We're gonna miss this one. All right. Trade is set up. I don't like these lows. Hi fam. Hey Jay Violet, how you doing? Thank you for stopping by. I'm finally not working during stream. Awesome. Happy you could join us. Happy you could join the Wave Riders. Piper, are we going higher? Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. We've got 17 viewers and only 10 likes. Can we get those numbers up? Please? Don't make me beg. I will beg. I told you. It's for my family. Offset. I like that. Offset. It's just gonna leave me, isn't it? Gonna leave me behind. I just want to get a pullback to the one of these fair value gaps. That'd be pretty nice, pretty sick. XRP doing absolutely nothing. Dying. A little bit of dying. XRP, Ethereum. Why do I feel like it's gonna pump? Why does XRP look so trash? I mean, granted, it's not the greatest thing to trade, but it's flat. Where's Solana? Oh, Solana's breaking out. Oh, Solana hasn't broken out. Did I miss the 30-second trade? Ugh, all the time. Oh, here we go. Solana's pumping, yo. On the 1 minute. So you get the close above the high, like I was just talking about. You break it, close above, pull back to it, and then it launches, man. Solana's going. Bitcoin leaving me in the dust. Not a good swing move long. Yeah, there you go. JR in the house, how you doing? The Rizzler, XRP had its moment last year, 3.5. I think that's it. Oh, no, absolutely not. You underestimate the XRP army. XRP is only growing. Ripple only continues to get more partners. I have had more people, specifically, oddly enough, people probably 40 40 and older, if they find out I'm in XRP, or I'm in crypto, or they find out that I stream crypto content, pretty much every single one of them in the past year since Trump was elected has asked me about not Bitcoin, not Solana, not Cardano. They've asked me about XRP. XRP, and I did have one lady ask me about Chainlink. Ironically. If you know, you know. Ripple partnerships do not directly translate to XRP price. Yeah, exactly. I know this. I don't believe I said that either. So, I don't know why you had to all caps the do not in there. Like, that's what I said. Have you seen crypto? Do you know how many projects have partnerships? I know XRP probably better than anyone in the Wave Rider community, anybody in Alexo's community. It was the first crypto that I was super maxi about. And so trust me, I know Ripple partnerships do not directly translate to price. Well, first of all, I mean, XRP is not like, I don't know. It's, it's okay. No. I'm canceling this trade. Missed the move. XRP is great at what it does and what it was designed to do, which is be on-demand liquidity, an on-demand liquidity provider. It's good at fast transactions, all that good stuff. Pre-mine, so not a lot of energy usage. You know, if you're ideological about crypto, or you know, like or tribal about crypto, then I understand. I understand why you wouldn't like XRP. From an investment standpoint, I still don't even know if I would get back into it, to be honest. Because well, I mean, technically, I'm pretty sure the Ripple stablecoin is, I believe they still use XRP to facilitate the stablecoin transactions. No, I know that, yeah, they use the XRP ledger, which uses XRP to facilitate transactions, but it's interoperable. You can make transactions or swap with all different kinds of things. I mean, you can do that with so many different cryptos these days. So the value prop is, whether XRP community wants to admit it or not, it's in Ripple. Unless other companies start building on the XRPL, which is, one, can be expensive, two, is very, from what I've seen from developers, it's difficult to build on. No, a lot of people tout Ripple partnerships as a reason for XRP to pump. Just clarifying that this is not a direct correlation. Correct. I had so much hope when I had it. Thank God I sold at 3.2. I don't mind rebuying below $1. Not directed statement, just a PSA to the world in general. I wouldn't be surprised if Ripple builds private blockchains for a lot of the fintech industry and manage them while none of it ever touches XRP. Yeah, I don't know, because I mean, how they make their money is really dumping XRP on the market. Also known as the unlocking the escrow, which they do once a month. They unlock 100 or a billion XRP. There's 100 billion XRP. They unlock it. Yeah, and yeah, it's a billion. And whatever they sell is gone. It's on the market. Like, they sell to people that want to buy it from them, like businesses and whatnot, and then whatever they don't use gets, or whatever doesn't get bought, gets put back in escrow. And then the first of the next month, they do it all over again. But they can only unlock 1 billion XRP at a time. I wonder what their total holdings is. Approximately 42% to 46% of total XRP supply is controlled by Ripple Labs, primarily held in a series of escrow accounts. Yep, a series. Technically, yes, it's a blockchain basically. You got the escrow, and you got 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion. Whatever doesn't get sold gets put at the back of the line. But 42 to 46%, that's 42 billion to 46 billion XRP, which means that's currently worth $1.40. I mean, Ripple's $100 billion company. Oh, that's don't do it to me. There's these lows. Nah. Maybe. It's that 3-wave move. Come back to entry and then pump to the moon. I've seen worse ideas. I don't know about to the moon, but still thinking 50. We gotta at least get to that golden pocket at 57.7 to 54. I mean, we ain't gotta, but I think we will. Alright, is this the one where we take out a high and then it reverses down and takes the lows? I'm on the 30-second chart. What am I doing? I DM'd it to you. Tried to paste image in Discord, but you don't allow images. Who's Discord? I see Age of Playing Test the Patience game, eh? I mean, it's basically every time I go stream. But I mean, look, I mean, it broke out. Just missed this move. That's all. That's all. Just missed the trade. $1.90. Wow, this one dumped a lot after I sold it, huh? Oh, beautiful. I actually sold it here. It was a little too early, but I mean, I got in here and I sold here or here. It was 220, I think, or 218. Yeah, I sold up in here somewhere. But I mean, I wrote it all the way up from here. Wasn't bad, but I could have got more. Could have got more juice out of that squeeze. What is Doge doing these days? Ride the waves. Ride the waves. Alexandra GGG. Where can you see Solar BTC going next hour? In... Look. I don't know. Not financial advice. But that's a break. That's a nice break of this structure here. This is the high I would want to watch. Now we're already back above that range. Mark off this little a lot of touches on that one. Yeah. Yeah, let's get above this high. Let's get a close above this high. At... Oh wait, this is Solana. Yeah, this is Solana. 88.26. If it gets a close above that high, then I'll drop down to the 3 minute. That was the 15. Then I'll drop down to the 3 minute or the 1. You know, let's say we get a close above the high. Then I'll look for a pullback on that smaller time frame. I want to see it hold and give me some kind of bullish candlestick pattern. Bullish engulfing. Just something with a long wick. I forget the technical names of the candlesticks. Doji, maybe, I think. Yeah. These these highs rather look super juicy. Super juicy. We do have an imbalance right here too at 89.65. Wait, hold on. That might not have been right. I cannot see my crosshair for nothing. Weird. That would be, yeah, 89.36 to 89.61. Could have just put like a vertical line on it. 89.34. 89.66. Is this a fib level? It looks like it might be a golden pocket. Maybe this is even the 50%. 50% golden pocket. He shoots. He scores. Hey, beautiful. How you doing? Alexo Crypto. Alexo Crypto in the house. Thank you for being here. Hope this staycation is still going well. Mad love and God bless. Thank you for being an amazing friend in this space. I do greatly appreciate you. And everything that you've done to help me and to help the channel grow. Really, really, really good friend of the show. And if for whatever reason you're somehow subbed to me and you're not to Alex, go sub to Alex. I find that very unlikely with this chat, but who knows? I think this looks kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is, and then an A, B, C, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If Solana does that, I mean, that'd be kind of bullish. A, B, C to the downside. When I say bullish, it's all relative to the time frame. This is the 3 minute. This is the 15 minute. It would be temporarily, at least, bullish short term. I mean, this does look like a bottom, kind of like a bottom structure. This looks very much like your seller's climax, your automatic rally, secondary test, last point of supply, and then you get your spring, your sign of strength, and then your continuation. And it's like this almost across the board for all the big boys. That looks like a buy, pop, come back down, buy. I think we might be getting into our dead cat bounce, to be honest. We might have bottomed short term. I really like this base that's formed in here on all of these. I still don't count out that low though. And then a pop. I still kind of prefer this, to be honest. Because otherwise, you're just kind of consolidating before potentially the next move down. And you're not putting in higher lows, right? You're not putting in higher highs. It is just a consolidation range at this point. Is it building a base? Is it forming a bottom? It could be. But like I've said, not only does it have to break, but it's got to be clean. It's got to be impulsive. It can't be choppy. It can't be doing stuff like this. It's just not good. It'll just want to come and take out the lows. It's got to have oomph. It's got to have some oomph in it. There you go. Oh, the otter guy. OG, dude, I know him. Stang, sadly, should not be hot right now on a floaty. Wait, what? Alex who? Alex O? Just throw a regression trend on it and set your alert. I don't even know what you mean. Set alert for what? for crossing the regression trend. That's a bull flag if I ever seen one. Papa, you want to bet me that it does this? Huh? For why? To take out the equal highs, of course. It's got to take out the equal highs. And then it can roll over. Yes, breaking out. Are you rebuying Cass, Piper? Is Piper even interested in buying Cass at all? You know who's not? Potentially at his own detriment? I don't know. I have no reason to really. I'm pretty crypto agnostic outside of. I don't really care for meme coins. I understand why people like them. Not just like speculation or whatever, but it just kind of feels. It's just different. It's just different. But I will still, and always will, try to keep people from buying and getting involved in meme coins. I just can't. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I cannot shill meme coins. It literally feels gross. For me anyway. That's a nice little breakout retest, man. Let's go. Let's go. I should probably already be long. Here we go. Oh, you're not even looking at the chart, are you? That's a nice breakout retest. Closed above this high. 4 hour as well. The problem is the daily was it's not really a problem because it's an internal high and it wasn't an external high of this range that we swept. If it was an external high that you SFP, well, of this range from this low to this high, that is a range of its own. These are internal highs and lows. Until this high or this low gets broken, this is a range. SFP of an internal high or low I don't know. That's something that I'll actually have to go and backtest, to be honest. But I mean, you did get a break there and a close above this trend line. You got a backtest. I don't like leaving this daily fair value gap behind, but we'll see what we do with that. But anyways, no plan to buy it again. There you go. Happy haircut, sexy. Thank you. You like it? Green screen kind of makes it look a little weird. But yeah. Had to get the haircut, man. It got way too long. It was literally in my eyes earlier today. Like, yeah, I hadn't gotten a haircut since a little bit after my son was born. That's how long it's been. Like 4 or 5 months. He's almost 6 months, which is kind of crazy. It's really crazy, actually. But yeah. Well, thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday. And as you all know, if you've been watching me for any Fridays at all, or Thursday nights, I always say make sure you go out tomorrow on Friday and try to make someone's day. Get their weekend started off right. Give them a compliment. Tell them you like their shoes, their hair, their haircut. Tell them you like the way their beard. Tell her you like her dress. Tell him you like his purse. Talking specifically about Piper and their bald heads. Love you, Piper. And I guess you can go out. You know, we were a little mean to Canada last week, so let's be nice to the Canadians this weekend. They're going through it, okay? They're going through it. But anyways, I don't know where I'm going with this. I love you guys. I hope you go outside this weekend, touch some grass, and hang out with friends or family. Get out of the charts for a weekend, okay? Unless it's pumping, then FOMO in. Kidding. Do not do that. Nothing on the channel is financial advice. Please do your own research and all that good jazz. I will cry myself to sleep tonight. I'm sorry. Your satchel. Your satchel. All right, guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend and sleep. Let's do it. Let's do this right. We got to end the week with the moon gods. So, mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Have a great weekend. Bye.
On the chart like a beast in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of alpha, wallets get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, light up the sky, burn off our chains, bring us the gains. Eyes wide shut, undivine with the play, spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone, sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the down, cleanse the wick. Let the dip be real quick. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Gangs and the bulls bring all our chains to the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gain. On the chart like a priest in the zone, pray to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of alpha, whales get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods,